I'm Max Lamperter, International Educator for Label M UK and worldwide. I'm basically here in Romania again to share with all of you in Bucharest the trend course that we've been doing for the last 2 days. Basically, we've been sharing with you everything that it has to do with the ideas in terms of trends for hair and colors and textures. You know, Label M, we've been sponsors of London Fashion Week. We have the privilege to be seen and foreseeing what the trends is going to be like, especially for this year. You know, summertime is approaching, so basically longer, let loose hair is what is quite on trend. Normally, you know, summer brings more naturality, winter brings a little bit more of bold shapes and geometry. So basically everything that it has to do with long, loose, a lot of movement, but softness, naturality. Whether the hair is shorter or longer, the idea is most of it is to express it in a very natural way. In terms of that, especially, there's also ways that you can dress it up with different products. You can adapt to that. Actually, we launched two new launches that we have for 2 new ranges. One of them to do with curls, the other one to do with more healthy, shiny, beautiful hair, which is our anti-freeze collection. And I think, like I said, you know, it's not only about one trend, it's about one personality, and that's Label M, a big help to help you define it.